Shashi Tharoor understands the dynamics. The political landscape of this country has changed dramatically. And earlier the Indian National Congress understands the new reality of the nation, the better it is.
So coming to the main point of what Tharoor has said, you see, I like what he says because the role of an opposition has to be to expose the party in power by the strength and the conviction of its arguments, not necessarily by the intensity of its anger. I mean, we can't keep screaming and crying wolf when there is actually nothing concrete to actually scream about.
And basically, you see, the problem is that so far there has been no reaction from the Congress party on what lies ahead, what is the strategy, how do they take on more.
To introspect and understand that we can't continue. You have to understand that he's a voice which is saying that let the opposition be constructive.
So please understand what Mr. Tharoor has also said. He has said that this idea of sounding conciliatory is not percolating across the BJP, who's raising contentious issues of 370, which has nothing to do with the development of this country. Mr. Tharoor has made his views on all issues clear to the Congress president and in the public domain. He continues to do that. In fact, the first time he made these utterances was from an official platform of the Congress party.
I think it's a welcome move from Dr. Tharoor that he's actually having the political courage in a country with a fractured political mandate like India to come ahead and praise the opponent. That's not something we see.
Let me assure Shashi Tharoorji and everybody in the opposition, we were seriously intending this. The inclusive politics, growth for everyone, each and everyone. Indians cannot be differentiated as Congresses or BJPs.
Now what we are seeing is that, congressmen finally embrace the value of Twitter and social media and are switching to it.
I still think that he is still not an accepted, person. Even now, after his statements, he is the one who's going on defending what he said.
One thing which I must appreciate with regard to the blog that he's written is that he's tried to be honest, something which we haven't seen in the political space recently.